আসসালামু আলাইকুম। নতুন আরও একটি আপডেট নিয়ে চলে আসলাম আপনাদের সামনে। জানাবো টি-20 বিশ্বকাপ 2024 সবগুলো ম্যাচের নাম্বার, তারিখ, সময়সূচি এবং ভেন্যু সম্পর্কে। তো চলুন কথা না বাড়িয়ে শুরু করা যাক। ম্যাচ নাম্বার 1 ইউএসএ ভার্সেস কানাডা, ডেট 2 জুন, টাইম 6:30 AM, ভেন্যু ডালাস। Number 2 West Indies versus Papua New Guinea, date 2 June, time 8:30 PM, venue Providence. Match number 3 Namibia versus Oman, date 3rd June, time 6:30 PM, venue Barbados. Match number 4 Sri Lanka versus South Africa, date 3rd June, time 8:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 5 Afghanistan versus Uganda, date 4th June, time 6:30 AM, venue Guyana. Match number 6 England versus Scotland, date 4th June, time 8:30 PM, venue Barbados. Match number 7 Netherlands versus Nepal, date 4th June, time 9:30 PM, venue Dallas. Match number 8 India versus Ireland, date 5th June, time 8:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 9 Papua New Guinea versus Uganda, date 6 June, time 5:30 AM, venue Guyana. Match number 10 Australia versus Oman, date 6 June, time 6:30 AM, venue Barbados. Match number 11 USA versus Pakistan, date 6 June, time 9:30 PM, venue Dallas. Match number 12 Namibia versus Scotland, date 7 June, time 1 AM, venue Barbados. Match number 13 Canada versus Scotland, date 7 June, time 8:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 14 New Zealand versus Afghanistan, date 8 June, time 5:30 AM, venue Guyana. Match number 15 Bangladesh versus Sri Lanka, date 8 June, time 6:30 AM, venue Dallas. Number 6 Netherlands versus South Africa, date 8 June, time 6:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 17 Australia versus England, date 8 June, time 11 PM, venue Barbados. Match number 18 West Indies versus Uganda, date 9 June, time 6:30 AM, venue Guyana. Match number 19 India versus Pakistan, date 9 June, time 8:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 20 Oman versus Scotland, date 9 June, time 11 PM, venue Antigua. Match number 21 Bangladesh versus South Africa, date 10 June, time 8:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 22 Pakistan versus Canada, date 11 June, time 8:30 PM, venue Newark. Match number 23 Sri Lanka vs Nepal, date 12 June, time 5:30 am, venue Florida. Match number 24, Australia vs Namibia, date 12 June, time 6:30 am, venue Antigua. Match number 25, USA vs India, date 12 June, time 8:30 pm, venue Newark. Match number 26, West Indies vs New Zealand, date 13 June, time 6:30 am, venue Trinidad. Match number 27, Bangladesh vs Netherlands, date 13 June, time 8:30 pm, venue Kingstown. Match number 28, England vs Oman, date 14 June, time 1 am, venue Antigua. Match number 29, Afghanistan vs Papua New Guinea, date 14 June, time 6:30 am, venue Trinidad. Match number 13, USA vs Ireland, date 14 June, time 8:30 pm, venue Florida. Match number 31, Nepal vs South Africa, date 15 June, time 5:30 am, venue Kingston. Match number 32, New Zealand vs Uganda, date 15 June, time 6:30 am, venue Trinidad. Match number 33, India vs Canada, date 15 June, time 8:30 pm, venue Florida. Match number 33, Namibia vs England, date 15 June, time 11 pm, venue Antigua. Match number 35, Australia vs Scotland, date 16 June, time 6:30 am, venue St. Lucia. Match number 36, Pakistan vs Ireland, date 16 June, time 8:30 pm, venue Florida. Match number 37, Bangladesh vs Nepal, date 17 June, time 5:30 am, venue Kingston. Match number 38, Sri Lanka vs Netherlands, date 17 June, time 6:30 am, venue St. Lucia. Match number 39, New Zealand vs Papua New Guinea, date 17 June, time 8:30 pm, venue Trinidad. Match number 14, West Indies vs Afghanistan, date 18 June, time 6:30 am, venue St. Lucia. Thanks for watching.